Manghang siya kasi ayun yung order nila, but my order haven't arrived. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me again, Marley, a Filipino living here in Turkey. So ayun guys, for today's video, we're going to try the best kofta here in Hatay, Antakya. So we're gonna try guys, try natin yung pinaka the best na kofta dito. Ayun, so let's rate kung masarap ba talaga yung kofta nila, and let's check it out guys kung ano bang meron dun. So come with us guys. So I guess we're going now.
And we can buy Taco Bell.
What do you want us come to eat?
We want Taco Bell.
Taco Bell!
A few moments later.
So ayun, dito lang kami nag-park kasi medyo mahirap mag-park doon. So ayun, mag-walking lang kami papunta dun sa kakainan namin. Diyan lang siya. Pangalan niya Canaria. Canaria. They said one of the best. One of the best kofta. Oh, yeah. Canaria. Ayun siya. So cute. Ah, there's a new coffee shop here. It looks nice, huh? So, dito kami kakain. We're gonna eat here in Canaria. Ayan. Medyo madaming tao ngayon. Because it's Saturday, so di maayos yung daanan kasi under construction pa lang dito. Ayan. Tayo sa entrance. Ayan. Ito siya. Ganito sa loob.
You want burger or you want nugget?
Are you sure? What do you want? What do you want to eat?
Gitar, hot song minus minus.
It's the menu. So, it is the menu. Screenshot nyo na lang, guys. Sarap. Medyo mainit dito sa loob. Doon sa labas mahangin, pero mas prefer namin dito sa loob. What we're going to eat as well? What we'll eat?
Hamburger.
Oh, it's... it's already here still. But here in your... unlike mine. Ay, naglalaro lang sila. Ayan. Ilalabas nila yung mga upuan. Ano kasi mainit dito. Hindi siguro gumagana yung AC. I-check ka lang. They have like, ano. They have pickles. Ano na sab? Ay, ito yun para sa bagets. Actually, medyo mainit dito sa loob ngayon. Kasi baka hindi gumagana yung AC nila. Sa labas mahangin. Pero mas prefer kasi namin dito kumain sa loob. Kasi gusto namin kumain dito sa couch. Girl, Sammy, come here. Girl. Mama, come. There's the burger. Let me see. What is this? Ayun na yung order nila. But my order haven't arrived yet. I think this is my order. Not yet. Epic fail. It's not my order yet. So, ayun na yung order nila. Sa akin yung wala pa. Ayun, my order haven't arrived. Wala pa yung order ko. Good? Good? Is it good? Kalbe. That also. Juice? Ashkam, is it good, my love? If you rate your burger from 1 to 10, 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest.
7.
7. It's good. It's still good. Yeah. At least. But my order haven't arrived yet. I don't know. Maybe take time. Just here's my order. Ito yung best seller nila. Kofta with a lot of cheese inside. It's so hot. It's sobrang init tayo. Umuusok. Super bango. Super bango and masarap. So, let's see. Kung ano yung rate natin dito. So good. Manghang siya kasi merong hindi manghang. I just spicy. Masarap siya. May cheese sa loob. May cheese sa loob. Tapos masarap yung bread. Masarap yung sauce. They will put outside today because it's so hot here. I'm gonna give this 9 out of 10. 9 because medyo late yung serving niya. So, yeah. Perfect sana kaso medyo late yung serving nila. But it's okay, masarap naman. Kaya punta na kayo dito guys. Come here. If you're in Hatay, Antakya, don't forget. What's the name of yours? Canaria. I know. Don't forget to come here in Canaria.
Papa,
The best. Guys, we're done. Yeah. We're going na. We're full. So yan siya guys. Ayan. We're going home. So we're going home now. Usog na. Come here, Sammy. There's a car. So nice here, the coffee shop, Yaba. Look at them. So nice. I think this is new. I think it's new. Tashka, how was your burger? How was?
Not much good, but fine.
What's the rating again?
Maybe 6 or 7. Yeah.
So it's not that much really good. Hoppala! Ay, now we're going now.